What makes electronics possible? The answer lies in semiconductors, materials that can behave as both conductors and insulators. A semiconductor can let current flow under certain conditions and block it under others. That controllable behavior is what allows us to build transistors. The most common semiconductor is silicon. It's abundant, stable, and easy to purify. When mixed with small amounts of other elements, impurities, a process called doping, silicon's electrical properties can be precisely tuned. It all starts with sand, which contains silica. Silica is refined into ultra-pure silicon, melted into large crystal ingots, and sliced into thin wafers. Each wafer is polished to an almost mirror finish, completely smooth and defect-free. Later, microscopic circuit patterns are etched onto these wafers, layer by layer, to create chips. This is where EDA tools come in. Cadence software helps engineers design those microscopic patterns, defining exactly where each transistor and wire will sit on the silicon. From sand to silicon, from atoms to algorithms. This process turns raw material into the foundation of our digital world.